sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Ford Focus. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including a rear window wiper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and leather upholstery. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.